Which one bank is not one of three banks that will be emerged to form the third largest bank in India? Answer C. Indian Bank. The 2019 Pravasi Bharatiya Divas will be held on which city? Answer A. Varanasi. What is the name of the India's longest suspension bridge built in Leh by Indian Army? Answer B. Maitri Bridge. Which country launched the world's first nationwide 5G mobile network? Answer C. South Korea. Which famous singer is awarded with Bharat Ratna Award in the year 2019? Answer A. Bhupen Hazarika. India's first National Film Museum opens in Answer B. Mumbai. Who is the new Union Home Secretary? Answer A. Rajiv Gauba. The boundaries of the plates of the Earth's crust are the weak zone known as dash zones. Answer B. Seismic. Who becomes fastest Indian to reach 100 ODI wickets? Answer D. Mohammad Shami. Which prominent personality has been conferred the Vatican's Lamp of Peace of Saint Francis Award? Answer B. Muhammad Yunus. What has been the annual growth rate of Indian population between 2001 and 2011? Answer C. 1.64%. Kakrapar Atomic Power Station KAPS first is located in which among the following states? Answer B. Gujarat. On which date National Panchayati Raj Day is observed? Answer D. April 24. On which among the following dates Army Day is observed? Answer A. January 15. Which among the following organizations calculate and publish LIBOR London Interbank Offered Rate? Answer B. Thomson Reuters. A syndicated loan is a loan that is dash. Answer C. Provided by group of banks. Continents where thunder type of climate is not found. Answer D. Australia. Who wins the men's single Australian Open trophy in 2019? Answer B. Novak Djokovic. Which actor wins the Best Actor award in a leading role in the 91st Academy Awards ceremony? Answer A. Rami Malek. Who becomes the youngest player to take a hat-trick in IPL cricket history? Answer B. Sam Curran. The National War Memorial in Delhi was inaugurated on Answer B. 25th February 2019. Which country's company sends world's first privately funded mission to Moon? Answer C. Israel. Who was first president by United States? Answer A. George Washington. World Bank headquarters located at Answer B. Washington DC. The National War Memorial in Delhi was inaugurated on Answer B. 25th February 2019. 21st World Pulses Day is observed on answer C. 10th February. Which actors wins the Best Actors Award in a leading role in the 91st Academy Awards ceremony? Answer D. Olivia Colman. Which film wins the Best Picture Award in the 91st Academy Awards ceremony? Answer B. Green Book. Which team wins the 85th Ranji Trophy title in 2019? Answer A. Vidarbha. Which country has awarded PM Narendra Modi with Order of Stenru the Apostle Award? Answer C. Russia. Which team wins the English Premier League Champions 2019? Answer D. Manchester City. Which team hosts the IPL 2019 final match? Answer D. Hyderabad. National Technology Day is observed on answer C. 11th May. Vajiralongkorn crowned as a new king of which country? Answer B. Thailand. World Press Freedom Day is observed on answer A. 3rd May. What is the overall percentage of voting recorded in the 17 Lok Sabha election in 2019? Answer A. 70. The RBI has decided new business timing for RTGS. What are the new timings? Answer C. 7 am to 6 pm. When was the World Senior Citizen Day observed? Answer A. August 21st. Who is the newly appointed Prime Minister of Sudan? Answer D. Abdul Hamdok. This year the Russia government's Pushkin Medal has been awarded to dash. Answer A. Meeta Naren. Which state has decided to recruit women drivers for government vehicles? Answer A. Kerala. To promote the MSME sector, the goal is coming up with which e-commerce portal? Answer C. Bharat Craft. Who will be heading the committee formed on Fit India movement? Answer C. Kiran Rijiju. This year's state rooftop solar attractiveness index SARAL has been stopped by which state? Answer B. Karnataka. Which rainforest is facing a raging fire from over a fortnight? Answer A. Amazon. For which sport the OP Blue Freedom has been organized by Armed Force veterans? Answer B. Scuba diving. Who among the following has been appointed as the Chief Operating Officer of RBL Bank? Answer B. Pankaj Sharma. Which among the following countries officially quit UN's educational, scientific and cultural? Answer D. Recently, the government has appointed Hemant Bhargava as the acting chairman of dash. Answer C. Life Insurance Corporation of India. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India has allowed a one-time restructuring of existing debt of to blank for the companies. Answer D. 25 crore.